Act 2, Scene 1. Leonardo has noticed that Don John did not attend the dinner, but Hero tells them he is melancholical. Beatrice says that a combination between Don John and Benedict would create the perfect man and one who spoke just enough. Leonardo tells Beatrice she will never get a husband if she continues to make such shrewd remarks. Beatrice acknowledges that she is happy without a husband and plans to die a spinster. Antonio turns to Hero and tells her he hopes she will obey her father, but Beatrice interrupts him and mocks his expectation that Hero will curtsy to her father's every demand. Here, in this stanza or in this act, the Leonardo and Beatrice are in a direct conversation wherein Leonardo is trying to explain Beatrice that she will have to die a spinster, that is she will die unmarried all her life if she kept passing all these kinds of shrewd comments to all the men around. And to this, Beatrice acknowledges that she is happy dying a spinster. Ignoring her, Leonardo orders Hero to accept the prince's offer if he comes to her. Beatrice gives Hero some advice about how to accept, telling her how to make the prince wait for an answer and comparing wooing, wedding and repenting to various dances. Leonardo tells Beatrice, "Cousin, you apprehend passing shrewdly." Don Pedro and the other revelers arrive wearing masks. He immediately goes over to Hero and asks her to dance with him. She agrees, but tells him she hopes the face underneath the mask is far better looking than the mask itself. Meanwhile, Balthasar, the servant to Don Pedro, has approached Margaret, a serving gentlewoman to Hero, and they flirt briefly. Antonio and Ursula form another couple on the dance floor, and Ursula tells him she recognizes him as Signor Antonio. Antonio tries to deny it, but she refuses to believe him eventually. Benedict meets up with Beatrice and refuses to reveal who he is. She starts to talk about Benedict, calling him the prince's jester, a very dull fool. Benedict assures her he will inform Benedict what she has said about him. Now, in due course of pairing, two servants gel around with each other. Antonio and Cleopatra are pairing with each other, and Benedict and Beatrice pair up with each other. Eventually, Beatrice tries to understand who she has paired up with, but Benedict refuses to unreveal his identity. And eventually, Beatrice starts to talk about Benedict and ill effects and the negative things about him. Don John and Borachio figure out who Claudia is by his bearing. Don John approaches him and asks him if he is Benedict, and Claudia plays along, claiming he is. Don John tells Claudia that he should separate Don Pedro and Hero because she is not equal to his brother's birth. Borachio chimes in as well, telling Claudia that he heard Don Pedro swear his affection for Hero and planned to marry her that very night. Once Claudio is alone, he comments that it must be true since friendship is constant in all things except for love. He remarks, "Farewell." Therefore, Hero Benedict arrives and invites Claudia to go with him, telling him the prince that got your Hero. Claudia, depressed by the thought that Don Pedro has stolen Hero from him, leaves. Don Pedro himself arrives, and Benedict accuses him of betraying his friendship to Claudia by stealing Hero. Don Pedro denies the charge and says that he was merely doing what he could for the couple. Now, Benedict has been stung by what Beatrice said about him while they danced, and he tries to tell Don Pedro what she said that had hurt him. He is mostly upset because she called him the prince's jester, yet he ironically confirms this accusation by comically reenacting the scene for Don Pedro. Beatrice arrives with Hero, Claudia and Leonardo. Benedict leaves as soon as he sees her, unable to bear her comments any longer.